Well, hello beginning farmer friends. We are on the road right now. We are headed to my mechanic's house, my mechanic's shop, aka my cousin. We've got a seal that the last time I was mowing hay on my John Deere 935 with my John Deere 935 mower, I blew a seal on one of the lift cylinders, hydraulic fluid everywhere, and so we are going to go replace those seals and hopefully stop and get some diesel fuel. If you kind of look back there, I've got a diesel tank with me today, and then we're going to be mowing. Alright, so far this is what we've got done today. We've driven some more. We got the hydraulic cylinder fixed. I showed you just the fact that it was fixed, I guess. And then I stopped and got some diesel fuel. Now we're filling up the tractor. We're about ready to mow, so we'll see what goes on. There's a chance of rain, but I think we'll just go ahead and mow. Well, so far I am 0 for the day on getting things done when I want to get them done and on time. It is an hour after I thought I would be baling, and I've got an hour drive ahead of me, and then I still got to put together the mower, not baling, mowing. You get the idea. This is how far I am behind. I'm already thinking about baling when I haven't even mowed yet. But we are on our way. We've got our cylinder fixed, we've got the tractor fueled up, we've got extra fuel in the truck, in the tank, in the truck. We've got all the fluids checked on the tractor. We are headed over, we're going to put the mower back together, and then we're going to start mowing. It's supposed to rain tonight. We'll see what happens with that. If it does rain, it's not the end of the world because the grass won't be dry yet anyways. Alright, well, we made it. This is a new hayfield back here, not the hayfield we're gonna go mow today, but over here, tractor made it. Here is the problem. As you can see, this side is good. Right here, this cylinder is the way it's supposed to be. This cylinder right here, there we go. This cylinder is missing. So I'm gonna go set the camera down. I'm gonna start working on it. We'll see if we can get this put back together, and hopefully we can start mowing here before it rains or while it rains or whatever happens next. Well, I finally made it to the field. I went and checked out all the other fields that we could potentially do. I decided this is the one that we're gonna do for sure today. Maybe hold off on the others, let them grow a little bit, but this is a good stand of clover, good stand of grass, good stand of alfalfa. We're gonna knock some square bales out of this. I think we've got some pre-sold already. Maybe go home, try to put a few more on Craigslist and sell a few more bales out of the field. That would be ideal. Or maybe I'll try to make a place in a building at home, because it's never a bad idea to have a few square bales on hand. So I'm gonna hop in the tractor. It's right there, and we're gonna get baling. We're done. This was not as much hay as I had planned on doing today, but it's done. The rest of it just wasn't ready yet. We kind of had a little bit of a dry spell for a while, and then we got some rain again, and it just wasn't ready yet. This field is different than the other fields that I had planned on doing today, and that this is a second year seeding of some alfalfa, some clover, some grasses, maybe some trefoil. I forget what all we had in it, but it's pretty good around the edges of the field, possibly because of the trees, because of the soil. It's a little less quality than it is here in the middle, but we're gonna make some small square bales out of it, like I said, and that's just something to look forward to, especially since the weather's gonna get down into the low 80s instead of the upper 80s in humidity like we have today. So thanks all for coming along for the ride. Remember, you can follow us, The Beginning Farmer. We've got a podcast, we've got Instagram, we've got Facebook. You can subscribe to this channel. I would love that. Tell your friends about it. You know, say, hey, have you checked out That Beginning Farmer? I don't know if anybody really does that when it comes to YouTube channels. Click the bell. But until next time,